Hello, Steven. So we were driving the car. I was driving the car last week, and I made a left turn, and we heard a big pop, and we thought it was the axle, but we crawled underneath to figure out the whole diff, the back cover anyway, just decided to snap. So we had to have it towed home, and now we are attempting to fix it. We've had the diff out of this car like 3 times already, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Steven just working fast as always. But yeah. So we're gonna get that out. Steven bought a new cover. Put a new cover on. He also ordered a brace about 2 days ago, so that is not gonna be here for another week. We do have a new axle because this one decided to shoot all the bolts out as we were driving. But yeah, let's see how easy this is to do. Oh, I gotta take the diff out in pieces this time. We got the first axle out. This is the one that come loose on us. The threads are a little, you can't tell because they're covered in grease, but they're a little messed up. Well, the whole axle's messed up now. This was a good axle. This one we already took out of the car because it was junk and making noise in the car. So we put this one in, and then right after we put this one in, the whole diff broke. Yeah, it was something stupid. That's probably wasn't even, yeah, it was 1 week because we put it in the weekend before.
Maybe like 3 drives.
And now he's working on getting the other axle out so we can drop the diff.
Did you get this axle nut out?
Yes.
Sweet. Fucking golden penny boy. Here you go, good sir.
All right, thank you. My second E36 axle today.
Okay. 19? 19? That's a 19? Oh, I know my car. Boy.
Yeah, she's completely broken off right there.
No, I can't wait to clean that.
We're hoping these threads right here. Oh no, the threads look good.
Yeah, I'm surprised by that, I'll be honest.
Oh, the threads actually look really good. Oh. Front diff bolts out. It's a shame because you got all new bushings too. Usually the reason for them breaking is bad bushings.
Well,
that's what the internet said anyway. Made the wrong size bolt. So you run extra long washers.
Loose? Sure isn't. Oh, look at that.
So what is holding the diff in the car right now? The drive shaft?
These 2 bolts. And the drive shaft.
Did you just say these 2 bolts like this one's doing something?
Oh yeah. This 1 bolt.
Okay. I didn't know how many more you had left.
Yeah, these nuts are already off.
Okay.
But they're still, you know. I'm okay if it falls on my head and kills me. Oh, you better hurry. This guy's about to plop out of here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we got the speed sensor thing off. That bolt's not doing shit. The only thing that's going to be fighting us is those. All right. El diff is free. Now we got to do extraction things.
Extraction.
All right. Does it move now? Oh, I put my hand in it. Fuck. Oh, nice. I'll just lay under it and let it fall on my chest.
That'll work. If you start it up and put it in gear, it'll probably come out pretty quick.
No.
Just lay under here. Can you hold it?
No, hold on. Yeah. Let's go! Yes!
You got it? Yeah, it's gonna crush you.
It's alright. You're good. You're good.
Because you're under.
I'm fine.
Here, slide her down off of you. Oh, yeah.
All right.
That's it?
We did a thing.
Look at her. Sheesh. Oh.
How do we tell if like anything's bent or shit under here?
You assume that it's not and hope for the best.
Yeah, I'll probably figure that out when we try to put it back in.
Yep. All right.
Oh my gosh, just doing an unboxing, bro.
Oh. Unboxing video. Let's go.
We're starting off the small.
Let's go. What's he got?
Like a speed sensor, maybe.
New speed sensor?
It's definitely not new. It's a little used.
Used? Bro, it looks worse than the one he already has. Speed sensor.
A pair of these are doing the same thing. God, I hope
New
they're
Diff.
not.
He hasn't. Okay.
Look a little different. There's something missing right there.
Here, put it on the device. We can change that real quick. You wanna, I mean, your speed sensor does look a little more used.
They even came with the bolts for it.
Oh, nice.
And they're loose? Oh my gosh. eBay knows what's up.
Unboxing of the new axle from SCP Euro.
They protected this thing. Oh, wow. It's in a box.
How much was this one?
Ooh.
Was it really?
Shiny. That's pretty thick, too.
Seems better than stock.
230.
Oh, okay.
Looks the same to me.
Yeah, heck yeah.
And FCP Euro does a thing where if I break it, I just send it back and they send me another one. You can see it.
Nice. Yes, that is a bent bolt. So Steven proposed the idea of breaking this side. Let's see how easy it is.
Weight of the hammer. Jesus Christ. All right, a little harder. I don't think it's breaking.
Yeah, you cracked it.
Holy shit, I did.
One more swig.
Oh! Wow! Jeez. Let's process why I shouldn't have done that. Nothing's coming.
No reason why you shouldn't have.
Yeah, let's go!
Trying to make this dry a little faster. Should do the trick. We drilled and torched the old bushings to get them out.
Bushing's got a little damage.
Little scratch, no biggie. But, yeah. Didn't film it because it's midnight, we're getting tired. But we're still going to try to throw the diff in. And, probably test drive it tomorrow or something.
What do you think? You want a team lift? Up and in, and do this.
Well,
It's gonna slide back though.
okay. Uh-oh.
Bring this back and ever since you bolt back here.
Where's your bolts at, Hoss?
What bolts? Let's get the axles. Since we have that side-to-side player, let's get the axles up and in. That's all of our faith. How much higher you want? Tell me when.
Okay. So difficult.
Oh, no, up. Yeah, I mean, it's in there. You can let it go.
Oh, yeah, it is. We got everything in. Just a matter of tightening it up. Tighten up the diff, tighten up the axles, and put the wheels on, and the drive shaft. That was it. It took us a while. It's what? 8 hours. Was it 1:20 in the morning? 1:17. That was close. Oh. We haven't put the sway bar in yet. We're gonna drive it, see how it acts without the sway bar, because we gotta get back under there to make sure everything's tight anyways. And we still gotta get under there because we gotta wait for that brace to come in from Injuku. Put that in.
Yes.
But it's all under there, nice and new. Can't see anything because the flash is not.
We did it.
Actually, didn't even put the new axle in because he wanted to save that in case some of the other ones go out, which just makes sense. So now it's time to test it out.
It works.
Oh yeah.